Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Sukhi Bhava. Hello children, good morning. In the previous class, we have learned few topics in healthy eating lesson from EVS. Now let us recap. FOOD, food. Can we live without food, children? No. All living things need food to live and grow. Food gives us healthy and strong body. From where we get this food? We get food from plants and animals. Okay? From plants we get fruits, vegetables, cereals, pulses and nuts. From animals we get milk, fish, meat, egg and honey. Before eating food, what we should do? We should wash our hands properly. When we wash our hands with soap or hand wash, the germs will be killed. Understood, children? Next, we should drink plenty of water. Do you know why? Because it keeps our body healthy and it helps in digestion and it avoids many diseases. So children, all should drink more amount of water daily. Okay? Next, junk food and healthy food. Don't eat junk food, children. It is unhealthy and it leads to obesity, diabetes and heart attack because junk food contains more amount of oil, fat and sugar. Eat healthy foods like fruits, vegetables as salad to avoid many infections. Now moving on to types of food. There are 3 types of food: energy giving food, body building food and protective food. What do you mean by energy giving food? The food that gives energy to play, walk, think and study are called as energy giving food. They are rich in carbohydrates and fats. Some of the examples are potato, rice, wheat, sugar, oil and butter. Body building food. The food that helps our bones and muscles to grow stronger are called as body building food. Body building foods are rich in protein and minerals. Okay, some of the examples are egg, meat, milk and fish. Protective food. The food that protect us from various diseases are called as protective food. For example, fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables prevent us from falling ill or sick by fighting with the diseases. Next, food habits. People have different food habits. Some will be eating only plant and their products and are called as vegetarians. Some will be eating plant and their products as well as animals and their products. They are called as non-vegetarians. Now moving on to our today's topic, balanced diet. Balanced diet is nothing but a diet that contains all the nutrients in right amount to keep our body healthy and strong. Your plate should consist of all the nutrients such as carbohydrates, protein, fat, vitamin and minerals. From where you get all these nutrients, children? From fruits and vegetables, grains, cereals and potatoes, dairy products, meat, fish, nuts and eggs, fats and sugar. This is a healthy balanced diet plate. Balanced diet helps children in good brain development, teeth and bones become stronger, concentration and listening capacity increases. Along with this, our immunity will become good to avoid infections. Let's see some of the pictures related to dairy products: milk, cheese and paneer. Food rich in protein. fish, meat, egg and grains. Food rich in vitamins and minerals. They are fruits, vegetables and cereals. Children, those who have a balanced diet will be healthy and stronger so that they will be playing actively. Children, those who do not eat healthy foods like fruits and vegetables will be affected by deficiency diseases and they will be looking sad and won't be active. Okay, children, understood? Next, we are moving on to meal times. Meal times is nothing but we eat 3 meals in a day. One is breakfast, second one is lunch and the third one is dinner. In the middle of the breakfast and lunch and dinner, we will have some snacks also. First, we are going to see about our first meal, breakfast. It is the most important meal of the day. It gives energy to your brain and body before starting our daily work. Best time to eat breakfast is 7 to 8 a.m. Breakfast should not be extended after 10 a.m. Some foods for breakfast are fruits, cornflakes, poha, idli and porridge. Our second meal is lunch. We eat lunch in the afternoon. We may eat rice, rotis, dal, vegetables, meat or fish for lunch. Best time to eat lunch is 12 to 2 p.m. We should not extend the lunch time after 3 p.m. Our third meal is dinner. It is the last meal of the day. We should eat dinner at least 2 hours before going to the bed. The best time to eat dinner is 6 to 8 p.m. The timing for dinner should not be extended after 9 p.m. We may have soup, salad, rotis, curd, vegetables and dal for dinner. For dinner we should eat light food. Okay? Next, good habits. We should follow some of the good food habits, children. Let me tell you one by one. Listen carefully. We should eat fresh, home cooked food. Okay? You should not eat from outside. Second, we should eat different kinds of food. So daily you should not eat the same type of food. It should be different kind. Okay? Third, we should always keep our food covered. After using the food, you should cover the food properly and you should store it in the refrigerator. Fourth one, we should drink plenty of water to avoid infections. Okay? We should have our meal on time. We should not eat late or we should not delay in eating our food. Okay? Next, we should chew our food properly and eat. If you are not chewing your food properly, what happens? You will get digestion problem. Okay? So, chew your food properly and eat. Next, whenever we buy fruits or vegetables from the market, we should first wash it properly with more amount of water. Okay? Then only we should use it for cooking or eating. Next, we should not waste food. Okay, children? Because in this world, many children are there without food. So, we should take required amount of food in our plate and we should eat. Okay? We should not take excess food and waste it. Hope you all understood, children. Now, can you see a boy here? He won't be eating any vegetables or fruits before. Okay? So, he become very sick and he will be always looking sad. After few days, as per the doctor's advice, this boy started to eat many fruits and vegetables and become healthy and a strong boy now. Okay, children? Like this boy, you also should eat more vegetables and fruits. Whatever your parents give for your lunch, dinner, or breakfast, don't hesitate to eat. Okay? Eat properly and take care of your health. Avoid junk food and stay healthy always. Bye, children. Thank you.